Hi everyone, how are you all today? Hope you're doing well. And to be honest, today I have no any ideas. Today I'm just going to talk randomly, just to practice my English, because very hardly I'm trying to maintain my consistency. I was not earlier. I was not uploading my video regularly, but then I've realized I should make video every day and upload it. Then nowadays I'm uploading video regularly, and I do not want to break this consistency. I want to always make video and upload on YouTube. And I think this it is really make me happy. It make me feel relieved when I upload finally when I upload video. Then I make a choice. Let's have a conversation. Like whatever comes to my mind, I will say, just to practice my English. And whenever I record myself, so just at the time I speak only in English. By the way, nowadays I was just nowadays I'm just thinking like I will pretend like native language. I will try to speak all the time in English, but I could not do that because creating new habit, it is not very easy. It takes time. So I just think that I will in free time. I just think I will pretend like native speaker whenever I have to speak to my family, or just I have to talk to myself. Then at the time I will speak in English. But after some time, I forgot those things, and I started speaking in my native language. So yeah, but when I record myself, so I speak in English, which is good part, uh, which is good part, which is good thing about it. Sometimes I actually forgot those things. You know what I actually have to say. It happened most of the time with me, but it's okay. I'm trying, and over the time it will become easier. It will become natural. So yeah, those things. And yeah, nowadays I'm focusing on learning phrases, um, common phrases that actually make us sound us natural, realistic. Because there are so many people who speak English, but they sound like textbook. And our goal is not to just speak English. Our goal is to speak English naturally, just like we are speaking our native language. So guys, some people, because I was making video on the taste, so some people just staring me, which I do not like it. When people started staring me, then at the moment I feel uncomfortable. I could not speak. So then I decided, let's go down and let's make video. So yeah, where I was. Yeah. So nowadays I'm focusing on learning like phrases, common expressions that native speaker use in day-to-day life, and because of that they sound more realistic and natural. And I think we all should focus on all of those things. Those phrases like, let's call it a day, how are you getting on, um, just having a fun. So I think those expressions help me to sound more natural, and I think it also helped me to avoid translating, because whenever I need to speak those kind of sentences, so at the time I had already ready-made sentences, so I just use them. which I literally like about this part. And yeah, so yeah, nowadays I'm focusing all of those things. And I do not try to memorize all of those things. I just pick up any three, like 2 to 3 phrases, and then I try to memorize, and not just memorize, I try to use them in my day-to-day life. This is how you have to do, because again, memorizing words, phrases, idioms, and using that in our day-to-day life, both are completely different things. We can easily memorize, but using that, it's little typical. But when you started using all of those things, you will not you will not forget all of those things. To be honest, at the moment I do not understand like what exactly to say. But I was thinking for a long time that I have to record myself. Today when I make to-do list, then I write down like today I have to make video. But I was thinking, okay, I will make video after 1 hour, after 2 hour, and now it's evening. Then I feel like no, I should not put off. I should make video at this time. And there are so many voice here. So because of that, I also could not make video. And yeah, nowadays I'm not going for work because like most of the time I just go with my mom, and my mom is sick nowadays. So because of that, I could not go outside for work. Then I just decided, let's make video at home. And yeah, so guys, let me know in the comment what's going on in your life, and how are you getting on with English. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye.